You see this house sold for $815, listed at $799. The percentage difference was 2%. This house sold for $830, listed at $785, sold for $830. The percentage difference is 5.7. This house sold for $815, listed at $759, sold for $815. Percentage difference is 7.4. This house sold for $835, listed at $775, sold for $835. Percent difference 7.7. This house sold for $750, listed at $649, sold at $750, and you'll see here listed at $622, under contract in a week. Percent difference 15.6. This house sold for $710, listed at $649, sold at $710. Percent difference 9.4. Listed on 10/16, under contract in a week. This house sold for $750, listed at $649, sold for $750. Percent difference 15.4. Listed 9.5, under contract 9/15. Sold $728, listed $689, sold $728. Percent difference 5.7. This was a little bit longer. They probably could have priced that slightly better. That's a list of all the houses that I just went over. So this is the percentage difference for each house. So if you add up all of those and then take the average price difference was 8.5%. I'm going to take off the top two highest. So we'll take off this and we'll take off this. And then we'll take off the lowest, which is this. So just in case the top two skewed it or the bottom one skewed it, we'll take those three off and then redo this number. Now that number becomes 7.06%. So now we're going to apply those numbers to the number that you want to get. If you wanted to get 820 and you apply 7.06% to 820, it's $57,892, and the list price would be $762,108. If you wanted to get 815 and apply 7.06% to that, that's $57,539, and that means the listing price would be $757,461. If you wanted to get 800, apply 7.06% to 800. You get $56,480. So the list price is $743,520. Here's what I would recommend. Even though this was the average, 706, let's look at the median. The one right in the middle, we have 9.4, we have 7s, we have the lowest is 5.1. Let's apply 5.7 instead of 7. Instead of 7.06%. So if your goal is to get 815, we apply 5.7%. That's $46,455 under what you want to get. So the list price would be $768,544, and that's right around off the top of my head when we did it at the house. What I said you should list it at like $769. That's what I would suggest in order to get $815,000. That's what I would suggest.